watched a movie that made you laugh so hard, then suddenly hit you right in the heart?
The kind of a movie that doesn't end when the credits roll because the message stays with you long after you watch it? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about.
Welcome to Real Talk Plus, the podcast where we talk about the real and uncover the real emotions, the real lessons, the real life messages hidden behind every movie.
Because every film is more than just an entertainment. Because behind every scene, every character, every laugher, and every tear is worth talking about.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Nerlene.
In every episode of Real Talk Plus, we'll go beyond the plot, share our honest opinions, and discover what makes each movie truly meaningful. For today's episode, we're reviewing The Breadwinner Is, starring Vice Ganda, a Filipino comedy drama that gives us countless of laughs while also reminding us about family, sacrifices, gratitude, and responsibility.
Joining us today are our special guests, Ike, Giselle, Edgar, and Mark, who will be sharing their thoughts and insights throughout our discussion.
Thank you so much, Real Talk Plus.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do this. Please leave a like and subscribe at our channel.
Okay, before we all officially begin, I just want to say that your outfits look so amazing today. I hope your outfits are inspired by the characters and the themes of the movie and The Breadwinner Is. It really brings the movie to life and makes this discussion even more fun.
So grab your popcorn, settle into your seats, and join us as we separate the real from the real. Because this is Real Talk Plus! Now that we've introduced today's movie, let's jump right in. For those who haven't watched The Breadwinner Is yet, could you give us a quick spoil-free summary?
Of course. The breadwinner follows Bambi, played by Vice Ganda, who work hard to provide for the family. While the movie full of comedy, it also shows the emotional struggles and sacrifices of being a family breadwinner.
Wow, it's definitely one of the movies that makes you laugh while also making you reflect on real-life situations.
Let's start with the first question. What do you think is the main idea or the central point of the movie, Giselle?
For me, the movie teaches that family should never take the sacrifices of breadwinner for granted. Helping your family is an act of love, but the love should also encourage responsibility. A family becomes stronger when everyone shares the burden instead of depending on just one person.
I agree. The movie also reminds us that being a breadwinner isn't always just earning money. It comes with emotional pressure, personal sacrifices, and responsibility to carry everyone else's expectation.
Wow, those are great points. Now, what scenes or events help explain that message?
One of the best examples is how Bambi supported his family.
Another important moment when Bambi finally realized that constantly sacrificing without setting boundaries, he wasn't helping someone. It became clear that real love was also means in teaching your family to be independent and accountable.
Alright, now let's move on to the next guide question. How did the characters and events contribute to the movie's main idea?
Bambi represents hardworking Filipinos who sacrifice their families, especially overseas workers and breadwinners. The character shows both strength and struggles of always putting others first.
Meanwhile, the family members represent what can happen when people become too dependent on one person. Their character development reminds us that every family member has a responsibility to contribute and appreciate one another's efforts.
Finally,
Why do you think that the movie is relevant to today's audience?
Many Filipino families can relate to the experiences shown in the movie. Whether you are a breadwinner or simply a family member, the story reminds us to appreciate sacrifices and become more responsible.
It also encourages open communication within families instead of placing all responsibility on one person. Everyone should work together to build a better future.
Before we end, let's go around the table. Would you recommend the movie and the breadwinner is? Definitely. It's entertaining, emotional, and full of meaningful life lessons.
Same eye.
The movie will make you laugh, but it will make you think after it's over.
Overall, 10 out of 10.
Wow, thank you for your comments. And that's a wrap for today's episode.
Thank you for joining Real Talk Plus, where we talk about the real and uncover the real.
We hope today's discussion gave you a deeper appreciation of the movie and the breadwinner is, and its powerful message about family, sacrifice, gratitude, and responsibility.
A huge thank you for our guests, Giselle, Edgar, and Mark for sharing their insights.
This has been
Real Talk Plus!